Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is toys. Let's start.
Listen and watch. What's in the toy box?
Is it a doll? Is it a lorry?
It's a bike and it's a scooter. What's in the toy box?
Is it a football? Is it a teddy?
It's a plane and it's a boat. What's in the toy box?
Is it a monster? Is it a car?
It's a kite. Poor biscuit.
Now, let's do an exercise.
Listen and choose.
Number 1.
It's a bike.
Is it a bike? Yes. Well done. Number 2.
It's a plane.
Is it a picture of a plane? Of course. Fantastic. Number 3.
It's a kite.
Let's see. Is it a kite? Yes. Number 4.
It's a boat.
Is it a picture of a boat? No, this is a scooter. And the last picture?
It's a scooter.
Is it a picture of a scooter? No, this is a boat. Well done. Now let's do another exercise.
Complete.
Number 1.
A kite.
Let's find the word kite. Well done. Next.
A plane.
Fantastic. Well done.
A boat.
A boat. Oops. No, this is not a boat. This is a word bike. Well done.
A bike.
A bike. And the last one is
A scooter.
a scooter. Great. One more exercise.
Listen and say. What's in the toy box?
Repeat. What's in the toy box?
It's a kite.
It's a kite.
What's in the toy box? It's a boat.
It's a boat.
What's in the toy box? It's a plane.
It's a plane.
What's in the toy box? It's a bike.
It's a bike.
What's in the toy box? It's a scooter.
It's a scooter. Well done. Now let's watch the video.
Listen and watch.
Alex, what's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my kite.
Thank you, Alex. Pat, what's your favourite toy? My favourite toy is my plane. Thank you, Pat. What's your favourite toy, Tony?
My favourite toy is my teddy.
Awesome. Thanks, Tony.
Sam, what's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my football.
Thank you, Sam.
What's your favourite toy, Jill?
My favourite toy is my doll.
That's my favourite toy too.
Now, let's do an exercise.
Listen and put the pictures in order.
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my teddy.
Can you see a picture of a teddy? Is this a picture of a teddy? No. Here's the teddy. Well done. Next.
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my football.
Where's the football? Yes. Well done. Next.
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my kite.
Can you see a kite? Is this a kite? No. Here's the kite. Next.
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my doll.
Doll. Well done. And the last one is
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my plane.
plane. So let's revise. Teddy, football, kite, doll, plane. Well done. And the last exercise.
Look and say.
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my lorry.
Repeat. My favorite toy is my lorry. Next.
What's your favourite toy? My favourite toy is my robot.
Repeat. My favorite toy is my robot. Next.
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my car.
Repeat. My favorite toy is my car. Next.
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my teddy.
Repeat. My favorite toy is my teddy. And the last one.
What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is my doll.
Repeat. My favorite toy is my doll. Well done. Now let's revise the words. Listen and repeat. A teddy. A football. A kite. A doll. A plane. A bike. A scooter. A boat. Well done. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.